Guilin Rice Noodles is one of the must-eat specialties when travel to Guilin. Gravy dry noodles is the favorite flavor for the locals. The rice noodles are mixed with braised dishes such as crispy roasted pork and braised beef, and then topped it with brine cooked with pork, beef bones, luohan guo, and various condiments. It is fragrant and mellow. The authentic way to enjoy Guilin rice noodles is to mix it up first, eat them up or have some left. Then add some bone broth and enjoy it. You can also add other spices according to your taste, such as pickled bamboo shoots, fried soybean, chopped green onion and pepper.